Hi, guys. Welcome back to Whisper of the Wind. I'm Jonah, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you three hiring companies that are based here sa Pangasinan. So, para dun sa mga gustong mag-apply ng trabaho pero wala silang sariling equipment, walang computer sa bahay, or maybe walang internet. So, pasok kayo dito kasi this is office-based. And if you're located in Pangasinan, this video is for you. But don't you worry if in case you're not located sa Pangasinan, you want an online job, there's also a company that I am going to feature here that is offering work from home setup. So let's go straight to the first company. The first company I'm going to feature is Farm Out Central In Touch Incorporated. And by the way, Farm Out is actually the first call center here sa Pangasinan. I previously worked for them. Yun yung first job ko, actually. And this information I'm going to read is from their website, farmout.ph. So their core competence, let's read it. Farm Out Central In Touch Incorporated is a contact center business process outsourcing BPO company based in the Republic of the Philippines. Our strengths lie in our firm understanding of management best practices, years of experience in the field of information technology, and above all, a total commitment to the needs of our customers. Our services include help desk service and technical support for Microsoft products, Cisco and Linux, as well as office backroom operations, etc. So I think this was made for clients. So let's continue to the next part. Currently, they posted sa kanilang Facebook page that they are hiring for a short-term job, but it can become long-term, of course, depending on your performance. So they're offering short-term opportunity. They're looking for customer service representatives. So they are currently hiring for a 3-month contract with the possibility of an extension. So if you want to apply, you just need to send your resume to this email. This is apply@farmout.ph. Or if you're close or willing to go to Bunuan Gazette, just walk in to the Farm Out building located sa Beverly Hills Street, Bunuan Gazette, Dagupan City. So if you're nasa Dagupan, kung nasa Dagupan ka, sasakay ka, punta ka doon sa junction. Okay? So doon sa junction, merong mga sasakyan doon, tatlo pala yung Bunuan. Bunuan Gazette, Bunuan Binlok, tsaka Bunuan Bukid. So kung gusto mong dumiretso doon sa Farm Out building, sumakay ka ng Bunuan Binlok, sabihin mo lang doon sa jeep yung Farm Out, alam na nila yon. Pero kung ang matimingan mo ay Bunuan Gazette or Bunuan Bukid, bumaba ka doon sa St. John Cathedral. Dati, Amigo yung nandoon, pero I think iba na, CSI na ata. So baba ka dun sa CSI, sumakay ka lang ng padjak or tricycle, malapit na yung farm out building. And alam yun ng lahat ng mga nagpapadjak kasi karamihan dun sumasakay. Just bring your resume there, and I think it's better if you actually walk in kasi after mong pasa yung requirements mo, I think if there's an available person na mag-assist sa'yo, is pwede ka nang mag-proceed dun sa kasunod na process. If I remember it correctly, and if ganun pa din yung application process nila, no? So you're gonna provide your resume, you're gonna do a test sa computer. Meron doong about sa grammar, prepositions, verb tenses, tas meron din yung papakinggan mo, tapos tsaka mo pipiliin yung sagot. So para matest din nila yung listening skills mo. Meron din dong tungkol sa EST, yung sa time zones, and about customer service. So they're gonna give like scenarios, tapos kung paano mo siya i-handle. Actually, madali lang naman yung test. And meron ding typing test. So, I advise na mag-practice na kayo. Kasi yung unang application ko is medyo palpak yung typing test ko. Medyo mabagal ako noon. Pero, nag-retake ako ng typing test and tumaas naman siya. Yun. Ano pa ba? Meron ding one-on-one interview. I think dalawa yun eh. Yes. Kapag napasa mo yung initial interview, tapos ang last step nila is final interview. Yun. That's if it's still the same nung process na in-undergo ko. But don't you worry, I think madaling pumasa. Kayang-kaya nyo, I would say. Kayang-kaya nyong ipasa ito. And their office, by the way, is open Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Just look for Miss Aida, admin. And I will say that I would recommend Farm Out. Diyan ako nanggaling. Talagang magagaling ang kanilang trainers. And in terms of camaraderie, talagang iba. Iba yung bond ng mga tao sa Farm Out. Pababait ang mga tao sa Farm Out. That's based on my experience, by the way. So kung dati kang ah, customer service rep ng Farm Out, dati ka nag-work, comment mo naman below and share your experience. By the way, I just want to set some expectations, no? Kasi this is a call center, so it might be na yung iba ay isipin na napakataas ng sahod. So I just want to set this straight right away. The rate is provincial rate. So hindi siya ganun kataas, I would say, compared to other call centers. Pwede kang bumawi in terms of incentive, pero syempre meron kang kailangang i-reach para maabot yung incentives. So yun. So I would advise this for those na walang sariling equipment, walang computer or internet, and gustong, merong mong nakakausap, yung nasa office mismo, yung gustong magkaroon ng mga office mates, gusto pang matuto, matrain pa, I would recommend Farm Out. Really. So yun. And for other qualifications, here is what's on their job post. Requirements would be good verbal, written communication and listening skills na matitest nila. Proficient in relevant computer applications. Siyempre, meron silang applications na gagamitin. Dapat marunong ka din gumamit ng Excel, mga ganon. Pero, don't you worry guys, kasi ititrain naman kayo. And madali lang siya. Madali lang. Good keyboard skills, 30 WPM, 30 words per minute. Yata ito, yes. So, mababa lang actually. Kayang-kaya nyo yung 30 WPM. And you must be willing and able to work shifting hours as well as weekends. So, with regards to this, since this is a call center and ang clients natin ay sa ibang bansa, so this would most likely be a graveyard shift. So, dun pa lang, i-decide nyo na kung gusto nyo mag-work kasi malamang sa malamang gabi. Gabi kayo mag-work. So, send your resume or CV to apply at farmout.ph. And if you have any questions, you can just chat sa kanilang website. That's www.farmout.ph. They have chat agents na pwede niyong tanungin kung meron kayong further questions, hindi ko nasagot or nabanggit dito sa ating video. And mababait ang chat agents nila. Siyempre, mga kaibigan ko yung mga yan. So, just chat with them and ask whatever you want. Or if you have questions, then you can comment down below. I'll try to answer as long as kaya kong sagutin. If it's about the rate, I cannot disclose it. but yun lang yung sinabi ko expectations. Hindi siya ganun kataas because this is provincial rate, but there is an incentive na pwede ninyong ma-reach. And this is perfect for those na walang sariling equipment sa bahay. Okay? So by the way, they usually post job hiring and other opportunities sa kanilang Facebook page. So just type Farm Out Central and then like their page. Sometimes din nag-offer sila ng itong nandito sa taas na part, no? Yung contact center NC2 training. They have a partnership with TESDA. So this is free. and they will train you on how you can be a good customer service representative, or things that you can expect for contact centers, call centers, BPO, and you will have a certificate, of course. This is partnership with TESDA. Pero ngayon, wala pa silang recent job posting about this. So, I advise na i-follow nyo yung page nila kasi pinopost nila dyan kapag meron ulit available na training. And they also post other types of jobs like transcriptionist, data entry, admin. So, just wait for their postings if you are interested. So, yun. Once again, recommended ko ang Farm Out. So, alright, let's go to the next company. Ito ay ang Lincos Global Business Solutions. And I have friends na nag-work sa Lincos. So let's have an overview. Lincos Global Business Solutions is a business process outsourcing company, BPO then, based in the Philippines, that provides a team of highly skilled professionals, well experienced and outstanding Filipino agents providing customer centric business process services. With a wide array of resources, we can tap into our talent agents to ensure client proximity, market and domain expertise, and excellent communication. We invest in quality services to confirm maximum customer satisfaction, providing BPO service that is both innovative and cost effective, but also serve to drive business growth. So recently din, nag-post sila sa kanilang Facebook page na hiring din sila ngayon. So they are currently hiring virtual assistants, telemarketers, and creatives. So tatlo. And you can apply with or without BPO experience as long as you have good English communication skills, you are highly collaborative, and with good character. So if you are interested, you can just send your resume sa resume.lincos@gmail.com, or you can just go sa kanilang office that is at MacArthur Highway, Calasiao, Pangasinan, just across SNR. So just bring your valid ID for entry, and you can also DM them on their Facebook page. This is what their page looks like. Yan, Lincos Global Business Solutions Incorporated. So yan, kitang-kita nyo naman, kaka-post lang nila ng February 13th nitong kanilang job post. And yes, you can message them for other questions. I think they are somehow alike in terms of application process sa Farm Out. And since I have friends then no worked sa who worked sa Lincos, I can say that they are also a legit company katulad ng Farm Out. So I guess it's all about kung saan ka mas malapit, I guess. Kung mas malapit ka sa Dagupan, sa Bunuan, mag-apply ka sa Farm Out. Kung mas malapit ka naman sa Calasiao, dun ka sa Lincos. Or you can try both, di ba? And pili ka na lang. Alright, so like the last company, the third company that I'm going to feature is Jack's English. I don't know how to read this, Gaon Jack's English E-Learning Center. So ito naman yung hindi office-based. This is online. So they are currently hiring home-based online English teacher. So ESL naman ito. Ang qualifications lang nila ay you should be computer literate, you have a pleasing personality, and good English communication skills. You just need to send your CV to the email here. Hindi ko alam basahin. Feeling ko parang Korean ata ito. MANGEUNSEOG19 at gmail.com. By the way, guys, I'm going to put the details sa comment and sa description box so you can just copy-paste yung mga pagsasendan ninyo ng resume. Don't you worry. So they are currently in need of full-time and part-time home-based online English teachers. So what's good with this is that you will be paid for Korean national holidays. Oh, diba? And but this is only for those part-time and full-time office-based with benefits for full-time office-based teachers. So you will have SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, You also get the chance to meet your Korean students. You will have salary increases and more benefits, which is performance based. Before, meron silang posting about home-based English teachers. So, I advise din na i-follow nyo yung page nila kasi pinopost nila doon kung hiring sila ng home-based or office-based or both. So, I think mas maraming benefits kapag sa office-based ka. But for now, they are currently hiring for home-based English teachers. So, this is the qualification. These are the qualifications, rather. Having an experience in online teaching is an advantage, but not necessary. You must have a good English communication and teaching skills. You must possess at least college or bachelor's degree. University students, fresh graduates, entry level applicants are welcome to apply. Of course, you must be computer literate. This is an online job. You must be patient and passionate in teaching, and you must have a good personality and leadership skill. So, interested applicants may send their resumes at yon, yung binasa nating email, mangyunsog19 at gmail.com. So, for more inquiries, feel free to send them a message. Their Facebook page is Gaon Jack's English E-Learning Center Corporation. Their office is located at Karanglaan, Dagupan City. So, I guess for directions, you can just send them a message. And here is what their Facebook page looks like. Yan. So, para pag sinearch nyo sa Facebook, malalaman yung yan talaga yung Facebook page nila. So, yun lang for now. And thank you so much for watching. And don't you worry, guys, because I'll be posting more online jobs, but maybe I'm going to focus sa mga ESL high positions. So, as you guys know, if you've been a subscriber, I am teaching sa Ingu. I have tried applying to different ESL companies. I applied to Bizmates, Rare Job, of course, sa Ingu, and I featured other ESL companies as well, like Young English, B2, and I will continue to post different ESL companies. So if you have a request on a certain company na gusto mong i-feature ko next, just comment it down below. And by the way, guys, I recently have been trying some new things. Gusto ko kasing i-try yung mga narrations. Eme-eme lang. So recently, nag-upload ako ng Creepypasta podcast. So I have Creepypasta horror narrations in English. So you can check my playlist dito sa ating channel. I also have True Philippine Ghost Stories na narration. Nakaibang playlist din siya. And meron din ako ng playlist ng Takutan with Jonah. So meron ako ditong video ng story na sinend ng ating subscribers. Meron din akong fiction stories na with voice acting eme-eme. So try nyo lang pakinggan, guys. If ever magustuhan ninyo. And as same as before, I have videos ng online ESL job experiences ko. I have Ingu actual lessons, actual classes. I have a different playlist for that. I also have a playlist for my poems na aking binasa. I have inspirational books na binasa ko din. I have voiceover keme playlist din. So if in case you're interested, pili lang kayo ng playlist and please, huwag kayong maguluhan masyado sa aking mga uploads kasi iba-iba. Merong ESL, may voiceover, may horror. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Ang dami ko kasing gustong i-try. Ang dami kong gustong i-explore. And ang tagal na rin actually nung huli ako nag-upload ng online job na content. So, sana magustuhan ninyo. And I will continue to post other job hiring. I will also post horror narration. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi nyo bet yon, hintayin nyo na lang yung ESL na content ko. And again, if you have any requests, just comment down below. If you have violent reactions, char, or natuwa kayo sa content na to, please consider liking this video, liking this video, and comment below. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!